We are going on a hunt, a noodle soup hunt in Kong Lor. Thank you. Yes, we are in Laos. We are in the Kong Lor Cave. Not in the cave yet, but we are going into the cave. And on the other side you will find maybe the best noodle soup in all of Laos. So join me for an hunt, a noodle soup hunt through the cave system in Laos. But what is the Konglor Cave? Why should you go to Konglor Cave? I can say it's a very big cave. You take a boat ride through the caves, and the boat ride is 7.5 kilometers. The highest point in the cave is 92 meters. And you take this boat ride, that only costs $10. I can say it's very affordable. After being in Vietnam and exploring the Hanging Cave, that was way, way more expensive than this one. But very good, very good. And if you're doing the Thakhed Loop, I will show you more of that later in the video. But it's like a motorbike loop that you can do. And then this Kong Lor Cave is the highlights of the loop. So I did only do the highlights of the loop, but I will show you a map later. And I also will show you where you can rent motorbike and doing the loop. But now we are getting closer to our noodle soup that we have been waiting for. And I can say that restaurant was the friendliest restaurant I have ever been to in Asia. They were so happy to see me, and that they made this noodle soup that you will see later, just in a few seconds. Wow! But this view, look at this view. This was almost more nicer than the cave. I was a little bit tired of the cave at this moment because I've been caving a lot in Vietnam. But now we are going to the noodle soup. Hello. Are you open? Are you open? Are you open for business? Do you have cold drinks? Oh, perfect. Thank you. Yes. Do you have something to eat? Yeah, food. Do you have something to eat? Yeah.
Yes. Done soup. Done soup.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Yes, thank you. Can I sit down? Yeah. Ja, det blir soppa. Det blir bra. It's okay to drink?
Water. Okay.
Yeah, water. Yeah, one water. Yes. Vatten. Yes. Så en Fanta och vatten. Thank you. Så. Ah, thank you. Oh, sorry. No problem. Thank you.
Spicy?
Yeah. I like spicy. Yeah, thank you. Oh, it's Perfect, thank you, thank you. Ja, det blir soppa. Väldigt vad omhändertagen man blev här. Ja, de var väldigt trevliga här. Mycket nudlar, mycket nudlar. Smaka på det här istället. Vad varmt och gött. Perfect, thank you. Vi sitter och kollar på mig när jag äter. Thank you. Okay, yes, perfect. Så tar vi upp lite pengar här igen. Och här är plånboken. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye. And your names? What are your names?
Sukawan.
Susavan?
Yes. Tui.
Tui. Yeah. Andreas. Yes. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, if you want to do the loop, the Thakhed Loop, this is very popular to do in Laos. I think this is one of the most popular loop, and I will highly recommend you to do the loop from Thakhed. So you just go from Ventin, take a bus, take around 8 hours as well, and then that you stay in any hostel there, and then they will help you organize the motorbike. And the loop takes 3 to 4 days, depending how fast you are. But you see the red map here. Here is the loop. So a lot of people doing the loop, also doing the Kong Lor Cave, because the Kong Lor Cave is the highlights of the loop that I said before. Or you do as me, just take a bus from Ventin directly to Kong Lor Village and just do the cave. But if you're doing the loop, you can also do the rock that you will see later in the next video. Actually, I will be at the rock. More of that in the next one. We are heading back to the Kong Lor Village through the Kong Lor Cave.